In this video, I'll show you 2 different ways to add trusted friends on Roblox. I'll also show you a quick fix if the option isn't appearing for you. Before we start, there are a few requirements you need to know. Both accounts must be age verified, and users must be 13 years or older, and you'll need to scan the QR code live. Now let's start with the easiest method. First, open Roblox and go to the home page. Find the friend you want to add as a trusted friend and open their profile. Tap the 3-dot menu and look for the Add Trusted Friend option. If you don't see it right away, select View Full Profile and check again there. For some users, the option only appears on the full profile page. If the option appears, tap it and follow the on-screen steps to send the trusted friend request. If that method doesn't work, don't worry, let's move to second method. Go back to the Roblox homepage and tap Add Friends. Then select My QR. If you're using the Roblox mobile app, you may also see a Contacts option. Now ask your friend to scan your QR code using their Roblox app. Once the Roblox prompt appears, they should tap Add Trusted Friend. After the request is sent, you'll receive a notification asking you to confirm the trusted friend connection. Simply accept the request to complete the process. If you're still having trouble, try switching roles and scan your friend's QR code instead. Many users have reported that changing who scans the QR code can solve the issue. Also, if the Add Trusted Friend option isn't showing up at all, double-check that both accounts are age verified and that both users meet the minimum age requirement. And that's how to add trusted friends on Roblox. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, tips, and fixes.